Hey, this is Favicon Converter. Just a quick guide. So, open up Favicon Converter, and then you're just gonna drop in your image. I think this one is 1920 by 1080. I recommend to do square images anyways, but you don't have to drop those in. From there, you got this option to scale this image up, or you can just do the shortcut, hit trim white space, and really bring your favicon out to the edges. And then you can select whatever sizes you want, or just select all of them. And then once you have it the way you want it, go ahead and just hit convert to ICO, select the folder. We're gonna select it inside this favicon folder right here. And then there it is. And let's go ahead and make these large for a second. So you can see it does it all the different sizes and stuff. 256 by 256 all the way down to 16 by 16, and basically just going in your typical favicon sizes that you need. And that is basically it. If y'all have questions, feel free to reach out through our privacy policy. I have my contact info on there. Thank you so much.